Hey guys, I'm doing a quick review on this Metagenics Ultrameal Cardio 360. As you can see, it has, well, chocolate flavored and gluten-free. Here are the ingredients. We're not going to get into any of that depth here, so if you guys want to read this, pause it. Look, there's a lot of stuff in there. So we're going to do a quick taste test on this, see what it tastes like. I believe they use a, let's see what it says, non-medicinal sugar cane to sweeten it. And yeah, so let's open this up. Wow, the aroma of chocolate is pretty good. Alright, so let's put in the whole pouch here. Alright, let's see how that mixes. It smells really good. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, taste-wise, that's actually pretty good. It's not overly gritty or anything like that. So if you look at the protein that they use in here, it's a pea and rice blend. So if you ever used pea protein, it's a little bit more of it mixes a little bit better. You still get a little bit, like very subtle grittiness, very subtle. But taste-wise, it's really good. It has a good aroma. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.